Okay, so real quick, first we'll go through some recent hauls that I've done. Went to a estate sale. This is like the fourth time they've had it, so there wasn't much there, but I picked up some rust brushes, rusty crusty wood handled screwdriver. Couldn't see any marks on it. Some paint brushes. I was surprised this was still there, but I got a Lufkin, how do you say it? Screwdriver, tape measure here. I also got a mail call from a Facebook group. Let's open this up. Got a neat little auger. Both blades are there. Awesome. Put this back up in the collection. Oops. Let's see if I have that size here in a minute. So here's the business ends of this type of auger. That one's probably the same size as the new one here, but they're different, so hey, can't complain too much. And next, we need to go outside to see the other two items. Went with Dad and the brothers. We went and picked up a load of these old hit and miss engines. I picked up a 3 horsepower Ottowa and a 6 horsepower Witte.